If you can stay focused for just 8 minutes, I'm about to show you something that could completely change your life. Everyone's trying to start a YouTube channel that's easy to grow, right? Well, today might just be your lucky day, because I found a brand new niche that's hands down the easiest faceless format I've seen all year. This Roblox niche is going crazy right now. People are literally printing money with it. These channels don't use fancy cameras or editing. They just record gameplay, add an AI voice, and talk about trending topics or super relatable situations. That's it. No face, no editing stress, no expensive tools, and the best part? It's 100% free to start. I spent the last week studying these channels, breaking down their entire process, and testing it myself to see if it actually works. Spoiler, it does. And it works insanely well. So in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method these creators use to make viral shorts that are earning over 5 figures a month. I've built faceless YouTube channels for a while now, tried every format out there, but these Roblox commentary videos, the potential is next level. Most of these channels are just a few months old and already pulling in hundreds of millions of views, all from simple, story-driven content. And it's not just shorts. Long videos work too. You can talk about anything trending, and the algorithm will push it. What makes this niche so powerful is the mix. You can post trending topics for quick views or relatable stories that keep people coming back. Both types can easily go viral. For example, this one video hit 9 million views just talking about napping on school days. No trend, just pure relatability. And that's the secret. Trends fade, but relatable moments last forever. That's why these channels keep stacking views month after month. So the first step in making these Roblox rant videos is getting your gameplay. And honestly, this is the easiest part. Roblox is free, and you've got 2 simple options. Option 1. Record your own gameplay. Just open Roblox, hop into slap battles, tower games, or any popular obby/parkour game, and record your screen. If you don't already have a screen recorder, download OBS. It's free and works on every device. Option 2. If you don't feel like recording, you can use gameplay clips you find online. For this example, I grabbed some quick footage just to show you the process, but I still recommend recording your own. Even having a younger sibling or cousin play while you run OBS is enough to make your videos feel more original. Once your gameplay is ready, the next step is figuring out what to talk about. These Roblox rant videos blow up for one of 2 reasons. They hit a trending topic, or they hit a super relatable moment everyone's experienced. Instead of scrolling forever trying to come up with ideas, I built a video idea prompt and a scripting prompt that do the heavy lifting for you. Before writing your script, you need a topic. Open ChatGPT. Paste the idea generation prompt, and it'll give you a full list of viral-style rant ideas, the same format all the big Roblox channels are using right now. Then, we move straight into scripting. Just copy the idea you like most, paste it inside the scripting prompt where it says, "Your job is to take a title or topic," and let it run. For this example, I picked the topic, "When the Wi-Fi goes down, I start losing sanity." Hit enter, and ChatGPT will create the full 60-second rant automatically, in that same punchy, fast, conversational style that keeps these videos exploding. No overthinking, no typing for hours. You just drop your text in, wait a couple seconds, and boom, your script is done. That's the real secret behind those channels posting every single day without burning out. And once the script is ready, we jump straight into making it sound alive, turning your words into a clean, natural voiceover. The same style you hear in the videos pulling millions of views right now. For this part, you're using 11 Labs. It's easily one of the best tools for realistic AI voices, and the free version is enough for these short clips. Go to 11 Labs. Text-to-speech. The voice almost everyone uses for Roblox-style rants is Adam. It's kind of the go-to voice for this niche. Select that. Since these videos are usually around 60 seconds, you won't burn through credits quickly. Copy your script from ChatGPT, paste it into 11 Labs, hit generate, and in a few seconds, you've got a smooth, natural voiceover ready to use. Give it a quick listen. If it sounds good, download the audio file, and you're done. All right, now it's time to pull everything together. For editing, I'm using CapCut because it's super easy, beginner-friendly, and perfect for short videos. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import your gameplay footage along with your AI voiceover. Drag both into the timeline and line them up so the visuals match the narration. Before anything else, clean up your audio. Cut out any empty pauses in the voiceover so the pacing feels tight and keeps people watching. Now, let's make everything match the style of viral Roblox rant videos. These videos move fast, so you want both the gameplay and the voiceover slightly sped up. For the gameplay, increase the speed until it feels smooth and energetic. There's no exact number, just what looks good. For the voiceover, set the speed to 1.3x and make sure Change Audio Pitch is turned on. This keeps the voice sounding natural while giving it that high-energy rhythm you hear in popular rant videos. Next comes the background music. This part matters more than people think. The right track makes the rant feel alive. Most viral shorts use the same style of upbeat, fast-paced songs. If you're editing in CapCut, check the name of the track I'm using in this tutorial, then search for it directly inside CapCut's sound library. Most of the popular ones are already there, and if you can't find the exact track, that's fine. You can use an audio search tool to find something similar on YouTube or TikTok. Drop the music track below your voiceover and lower the volume to around -10 decibels so it supports the voice instead of overpowering it. Now for captions. This part is mandatory if you want people to watch the whole video. Captions make your content easier to follow and boost retention like crazy. CapCut, Premiere Pro, and even mobile apps all have auto caption tools now. Just click Auto Captions. Let it generate everything automatically, and you're good. Don't over-design the text. Choose a clean, readable font and place the captions in the center of the screen. Simple always performs better for this style of video. If you're editing on mobile or using an Apple device, you can also add emojis directly into your captions. Emojis help make the text more fun and expressive. Captions serve two huge purposes. First, they help people who watch with the sound off. And second, they keep viewers' eyes locked on the screen, which boosts retention. Once your captions are done, watch your whole video from start to finish. Look for timing issues, volume problems, or any cuts that feel weird. Fix those now so the final video feels smooth. But hold on, we're not done yet. Before exporting, you need to add meme images and sound effects. These tiny details make your video way more entertaining. For memes, go to Pinterest and type in whatever you need followed by the word meme. So things like cat meme, scared meme, reaction meme, anything that fits the moment in your rant. You'll find tons of viral ones that instantly make your video more fun and shareable. For sound effects, most creators use simple classics like the Vine boom. Just search it online, download it as an MP3, and drop it into CapCut or whatever editing tool you're using. Then line it up with your meme moments. It's the perfect combo for comedy and timing. These small touches make your video feel more alive and help it stand out from thousands of similar uploads. If you're making a short, set your aspect ratio to 9:16. If you're making a long-form video, set it to 16:9. Watch your full edit one more time to make sure it's ready to go.
Bro, the second the Wi-Fi drops, my brain acts like the world is ending. Like one little loading circle, and suddenly I'm entering survival mode. Wi-Fi disconnects, beep. I'm checking the router, like a doctor, checking vital signs. I'm restarting my phone, my laptop, my soul. Then I start blaming random object in my house. Was it you? Did you do this? I'm walking around like a tragic Victorian.
Then give your file a name and export it. This niche is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and honestly way more fun once you start doing it yourself. The more you practice, the faster you'll get, and the easier it becomes to create content that actually stands out. And with that, we've reached the end of today's tutorial. I hope this breakdown gives you the confidence to start building your own channel using this exact method. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create next. Catch you in the next video.